Now is the moment. You are prepared to introduce yourself in Spanish. Are you ready? ¿Estás listo? Vamos! The first thing you have to say when you meet a new person in Spanish, it's a greeting. It's hi. You have already learned so many different ways to say hi in Spanish. Now you choose your favorite one. My favorite one is hola, ¿qué tal? Hola, ¿qué tal? Me llamo Mónica. ¿Y tú? Me llamo Mónica significa my name is Mónica. Me llamo Mónica. ¿Y tú? And now you say your name. Hola, ¿qué tal? Me llamo Mónica. ¿Y tú? Encantada. 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 O encantado if you are a boy. Encantada. Encantado means nice to meet you. We can also say mucho gusto. Encantada, encantado, o mucho gusto, mucho gusto. And in Spain, when we meet a new person, we do that. If you are a girl, you have to kiss twice on the cheeks. I don't know the word in English, sorry. Las mejillas. You have to kiss twice. So, we do. Mua, mua, ¿ok? Hola, me llamo Mónica, encantada. Encantada. Mua, mua. And if you are a boy, you shake hands. Hola, me llamo Luis. Encantado. Encantado. If you are a boy and you meet a girl, you have to kiss twice too. We kiss with the cheeks, okay? We don't kiss with the lips, with the cheek. Mua, mua. Okay? Now you know how to introduce yourself. Congratulations, felicidades. It's the first step to learn Spanish. Now you know how to say your name. Let's go and learn how to say your age. Nombre significa name, edad significa age. Hola, ¿qué tal? Me llamo Mónica, ¿y tú? Ah, encantada. Mua, mua. Tengo 27 años. ¿Y tú? In Spanish, we don't say soy. That means I am. We don't say soy 27 años. That's super strange for us. We say I have 27 años. Tengo 27 años. ¿Y tú? Now you say, tengo años. You know the numbers already in Spanish, so you can say that. Tengo años. Let's gonna repeat the whole thing. Hola, ¿qué tal? Me llamo Mónica, ¿y tú? Ah, encantada. Mua, mua. Tengo 27 años. ¿Y tú? Muy bien. Okay, you did it. Now you can introduce yourself with your name, nombre, and your age, edad. And if you want to ask, you have to use these phrases. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Mónica. ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? ¿Cuántos años tienes? Tengo 27 años. Now we are going to learn the nationality and also your profession. So, if you want to practice first these phrases to introduce yourself with your name and your age, you can go to SpanishPulse.com and do the activities there. The link is in the description. And also, if you like this video, please give a like to this video and also subscribe to our channel. ¡Hasta pronto!